When you put it in, oh wow, that's really cool, guys. Oh wow. Today's video, we're going to try this unboxing thing, and let's see, guys. So this is Jabra GN Active 65T, and it says here it's best ites dinecide. So we are going to unbox this new earbuds called Jabra. Right? So I'm excited, guys. Okay, this is my very first wireless earbuds. Call it earbuds. Earbuds. Ah! Earbuds, guys. And the features are secure fitting earbuds. Second is proven wireless connection. And it has 2-year dust and sweat resistant warranty. Customization of your music. And it's up to 5 hours battery. And 15 hours with charging case. And of course, voice assistant. Here we go, guys. I am excited. So let's see. All right. Yes, this seems really cool. And it says here, engineered for true wireless music calls and sport. No string attached. No string attached. So here we go. So to start with, of course, we have to find the, where is it? Okay, by the way, guys, Jabra has been in the market for, it says here, 150 years. So proven and tested, and they are known actually in the market already. It says here, making life sounds better. Jabra. Making sounds better. Take Jabra. Alright, guys, I'm excited. So we will now unbox this new earbuds. So, by the way, this is designed and engineered in Copenhagen, Denmark, of course. All right. So, wow, this is cool. It is. It was well boxed and well secured. So, okay. So aside from the main box, they have this second box, and it seems, oh wow, this is really cool, guys. Welcome to Superior Sound. Here you go. So look at this. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. Alright, I am excited. Okay, first up, of course, prior to everything, of course, we have to look for how to get started. Alright, so here it is very detailed, and it's a friendly one. They have like several languages: English, French, Dutch, Netherlands, Italiano, Portuguese, Espanol, yeah, Myanmar, Romania, Somi, Pulse, dance, Sesi, and etc. Okay, so guys, this is our Bible to operate this. Okay, and of course they have this warning and declaration booklet of warranties and such. Oh, okay guys, they have this extra rubber for the ear. They have large and small. Of course, a charger cable. It's a USB cable. And of course, the main earbuds. This is cool. So, wow. This is nice. This is nice, guys. Alright, so it says here, wow. Now we have the charger, the case, and the charger. See, there is the sticker on it just to assure that it's really new. Right, so now we have to remove this one, and this is such a very nice design. I love this. Right, so let's try. Right? Oh, it fits. Fits, guys. Oh, wow. This is perfect. This is perfect. Alright. So, I can't hear anything, so there might be like noise cancelling on it. And we will see. Need to try, guys. But it fits perfectly. So it depends on the size of your ear, perhaps. And that is why they have this extra rubber. Have to remove it here. So there, it's easy. It's easy to remove, guys. But for me, this is enough because I have a small, I have a big ear, but I have a small, hole. Hole. This is perfect. Okay, guys, to show you the charging, see, when you open it, it blinks. So this is automatic. So the good thing here, guys, is, when you open it, it blinks. This is cool. Wow. So there you go. Then it goes like this. Goes like this. Goes, see? So This is perfect. It was designed perfect. Of course, it's quality. So when you close, it charges. It's simple. When you put this earbuds inside, it charges. That's all for the unboxing, and we will proceed testing it. Okay, so now we will try and get some feedback. So guys, earlier I have read those instructions. Before we can operate this, we have to install the apps, Jabra Plus. Now I have installed the apps. So when we are done installing the apps, it automatically connect. But of course, turn on with Bluetooth. Before we can connect it to the Bluetooth, make sure that it's turned on. You will hear, oh, this is really cool, guys. It's automatic. There is a default sounds. Oh my god! See? Oh guys, wow, this is cool. So when you remove it from your ear, it stops. See? And when you put it in, oh wow, that's really cool, guys. Oh, oh wow, this is amazing. See? So, you know, I haven't put it in, but look at this. See? Oh, this is amazing. Wow. Okay. So guys, to sum up this cool thing called Elite Active, first, the quality is 10, of course, and the sound, it's perfect, guys. I love it. It's smooth and it's seamless sound. And of course, the box itself shows the quality of the product. So for me, I highly recommend this Jabra. And you know, it is my first, to sum up our unboxing, I'm 100% satisfied, guys. I love the product and it's highly recommended by your Manong Baro. So guys, once again, this is really cool and perfect. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and of course don't forget the bell button to get notified for my new updates, and like and share. Thank you. That is all for now, and hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.